Hello, Judy here from Thistledew Creations. And I just finished making a decorated paper bag for St. Patty's Day with you in the last video that I filmed. And this is how it turned out. I used half of a shamrock doily, so I thought I would use the other half. And I've got this black and white bag that I received in a Happy Mail, so I thought I would use it. It's a different kind of bolder graphic than what I've got going on in this one. So I was curious to see how it would turn out. So let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and ink the edges in Vintage Photo. Give it a little bit of grunge. I was almost wondering if I had the wrong dauber because it seems dark, but it's on pure white, so that's probably why. And I did just ink these, re-ink these not too long ago, so that's probably again why it's looking a little bit dark. Inking. So there's that done. And then let's deal with putting down this shamrock because I know I want it over here on the edge. My only question is, do I want something underneath it? And I probably do, because if I put everything over top of it, you're going to lose the fact that it's a shamrock. So Hushed and White with Snow, Warmer, Sweeter Bee. I think that's enough to recognize Danny Boy for a lot of people. So I'm going to just use that little swatch of music, just ruffling those edges a bit, and I'll ink that as well. And then I want to glue it down so that it'll be just in underneath the shamrock. Nicely inked. I like the way that re-inked ink pad is working. So I think I'll put this down here sort of like this, and we'll let the rest of the collage grow up into this area up in here. Just get this glued up. I am just going to put a little bit of the tacky glue around the edges. And there comes hubby. Slamming the door. It's to move over just a little bit. General glue down to get it to hold it, and then I'll go around with the tacky glue along the edges. Hands are getting sticky already. I have got some glue spots here that I'd like to get rid of here. I do have one of those glue erasers somewhere. Could probably use one right about now. Anyway, let's keep going here. I've got another little shamrock piece of fabric. wouldn't mind using. I'm going to try this on it instead of the other. Just finding it a little dark. This can be a little bit white because this background is white. And I'll have that sort of there, I think. So I think I'll have it this way. And then we'll go in with some of these tickets and tags and buttons. Green and beige and white and black. I don't know if you can hear that wind whistling. It's crazy. And then I think I'll use a little hexagon number. So that can start my little trio. Grab a couple of buttons. I like using all these different shades of green. Looks really good. And then I think I need a little piece of lace underneath this last button. Let me see if I've got just a little snippet of something that I can use. It's always good to try to use up. I've got that piece. Oh, I've got this piece too. Use some of these little bits and bobs up. Come out like this. I could put it underneath that button too. What's this one? A frog? Some sort of a face? I'll use this beige one. I don't usually mix in a beige button. Oops. Everything's getting sticky. Looks like it needs more glue. That one was tiny and didn't take very long. Just go ahead and re-ink that edge with the green on it so that I get the green darkened a little bit. And then anything else? Willard Mac, Irishman's Dream. This is a different song. I probably shouldn't use this with Danny Boy because then someone will think I'm trying to say that that's who wrote Danny Boy. I won't do that. I just feel like it needs a little something else. The jersey. That's what it needed. So another little St. Paddy's Day project. Little Irish inklings. And only other thing could still be added is a little stamp or something. maybe this one again in green. I'm not even using the stamp block, which I probably should. It's just my hands are already so dirty. Put this down in this corner. There, it's subtle, but it makes a difference. Okay. Really getting a good warm up here this morning with a couple of simple, easy little quick collage projects. So I hope you're enjoying them. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Most of all, have a great day. Happy crafting.